my name is Rachel Goldberg and I'm the Programs and Events Coordinator here at the Manassas Museum. I'm coming to you today from my office and I'm introducing to you today the second installment in our hands-on history kits. And I'm very excited. So the first kit that we had was the Write a Thank You Letter to a Veteran kit. And so hopefully you grabbed up one of those kits, you wrote a thank you letter to a veteran and sent it off to one of the organizations that we included in the resources sheet. This week's hands-on history kit, and for the rest of the month of November, we are focusing on Native American Heritage Month, which is the month of November. So I'll turn these things around so my ace camera person can show you. So you'll receive in your hands-on history kit for Native American Heritage Month, we're focusing specifically really on Virginia Native American tribes. So interestingly, a couple of things that you'll learn from this kit is that there are 11 state recognized tribes in Virginia, and we'll include who those tribes are along with their tribal flag. You'll get those 11 flags. 7 of those are federally recognized, so you can do the research and let us know who those 7 are. And you'll learn a lot about the Virginia natives, both past and present. So there have been native people in Virginia for over 18,000 years. And they're still here. So maybe you tuned in last week for the Stories of Preservation and Progress talk when we had Brad Hatch here from the Potomac tribe talking about his amazing eel pots. So just to give you a little idea that Native Americans have been here for a lot longer than most of us, and they are still here. So in this kit, you'll learn about Native Americans of Virginia. Again, you'll get the tribes and the tribal flags. You'll get all the supplies you need to make a Native American inspired arrowhead necklace. And in this bag, you'll receive a length of leather cord. You'll receive pony beads in different colors, and you'll receive an arrowhead. So here, let me move that so you can see it better. You'll also receive instructions for putting that arrowhead necklace together. You'll also receive in this kit some polymer clay. And this is very malleable. It's great for little hands still learning fine motor skills. And with this clay, you'll receive instructions on how to create a native-inspired pot. So pottery is very important to most Native American tribes. It's one of the most important tools in a Native American home. You can use a pot to store things, you can use a pot to hold food, to collect water, and you can use the polymer clay included in the kit to create a pot of your own. The polymer clay, this little brick of polymer clay will make easily this 2 pots this size. And once you've made your pot with the clay, then you bake it in a very low oven for just like 10-15 minutes until the clay hardens and dries out. So with this kit, you'll receive these 2 craft activities as well as a little bit of information about local Native tribes and Native American History Month. And you can order this kit by going to manassasechoes.com. And you can get 1 kit, which will have enough supplies in it for 1 person for $3, or you can get 2 kits for $5. So I hope that you enjoy our Native American Heritage Month kit and the crafts inside. If you have any ideas for a hands-on history kit that you'd like to see, please leave them in the comments below. Until next time, thanks.